Okay, on this video I'm going to show you how to use MyMathLab tools to build exponential graph or logarithmic graph. So in this case, as you can see, I have a logarithmic graph. All right, clicking on enlarge graph. There we go. First of all, see here when I click on this graph, at the very bottom you see it says select logarithmic tools, black color and white letters under equal mark. So this is the one I clicked. It's a logarithmic tool. If I click this one, that is exponential tool. Okay, right at the bottom right here, see it says editing exponential tool, and if I click, this will clear your drone on your graph. Okay, yeah, we don't need it. And if I click on this one, see it shows selected logarithmic tool. Okay, now since we have logarithmic tool, and what is it? Let's write down. I suggest you also write down. So we have, what is this? We have logarithm x minus 2 by base 4 plus 4. Okay, let's go for it. So I'm taking logarithmic graph, and at the minute I touch this graphing area with touch this graphing area, this table comes in front. So it's asking vertical shift, horizontal shift, vertical stretch, horizontal stretch. We do not have any vertical or horizontal stretch because in front of log we don't have any coefficient. That would be our stretch, but since we don't have any coefficient in front of log, that means we don't have any stretch. So checking our base of log is 4, which see here we have 4. I could, when I click on it, I could write down, let's say 5, or see, I could write down 5, but I don't need it because it's 4. Okay. So we have 4, so we have it. Now we have log by base 4 x minus 2. Remember when we said x is minus 2, then shifting is going to be towards positive 2. So horizontal shift, I'm grabbing here and dragging by positive 2. And vertical shift, we have plus 4. So x minus 2 and plus 4. Plus 4, that's my vertical shift, plus 4. There we go. And we have, let me see, when I click y-axis reflection, see it flipped towards y. Now if I click x-axis reflection, it goes towards x. We don't touch anything because we have original log x graph, and all we did just did vertical shift and horizontal shift, and we have base 4. Okay, clicking on this x point, closing this window, there is no saving there. Once you click x window, it will save anyway. Okay, so we have it. We click save. Okay, and we check answer. Bingo, we have perfect the answer. Now let's do similar another one. Or let me see what is next one. Let me go to next one. No, that's not it. No, okay, let me do number 15. Or maybe I can take the other one. Let me see. Chapter 3, 4.2, exponential. Okay, let's do exponential one. Okay, let me see, where do I have number 14? Let me see, what is this? Okay, 1/2 to power x. No, I won't. I would like the and horizontal shifting and vertical shifting. This one. So let's write down. We have 3 to power x plus 2, and that's all minus 1. Okay, click on to enlarge the graph. Now we're dealing this time with exponential. So exponential graph is this one, and at the bottom, see, it says exponential tool. See? Okay. Oh, here it is, exponential. And once we clicked, so once you, oh, we need to clear, this is cancel this. Okay, starting over, x plus 2 minus 1. Okay, once I click this exponential tool and touch this graphing environment, it's coming up. So as you can see, base, it says free because our base is free. Here it is. We don't need to change this base, right? So I could change it, put 4, for example, just showing, but we don't because our base is free. Okay, and then what do we have? We have vertical shift is minus 1. So vertical shift, I'm going this way, minus 1. Horizontal shift, I have x plus 2. Since it's plus 2, then I'm shifting towards negative 2. There we go. And I'm not touching any x reflections because I don't have base negative or fraction, right? So therefore, it's positive, I put it positive. So to choose x reflection or y reflection, you will do it as you watch your video. When we have base negative or when we have base is fractional. So in this case, you will use x and y reflection. And looking at the example on the video, you can figure it out which one you're gonna take, x reflection or y reflection. But for this case, we did vertical shift and horizontal shift, closing, saving, and let's see, bingo. Okay, hopefully this will help you, and good luck.